Okay, today what are we going to do? Numbers activity?
Yes.
And what will Mama draw? Pots?
Yes.
See, these are our pots.
Yes.
See, look at our pots. We have how many pots? Can you count it? One big pot? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So Mama will draw 4 pots here. 4 pots Mama will draw. Okay. You'll wait for that?
And 5 pots and 6 pots
You want 5 and 6 also? Okay. I drew 5 pots.
and 6.
Now I'll write numbers on this, okay? And you will tell me which number it is. Yes? You will do that? What number is this?
1,
What number is this?
2,
What number is this?
3,
What number is this?
4,
What number is this? 5. Now I'll draw a stem and I'll put branches, okay? And then we will make flowers and we'll stick on it, okay? We'll do that? We'll stick flowers?
Yes.
Yes. For 2, I drew 2 branches. Now this is number 4. So how many branches we'll draw? 4. So let's draw 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct?
Yes.
This is only 1, so we'll draw only 1. This number is 3. So we should draw 3. 1, 2, 3. This number is 5.
5.
So we should draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? We'll make flowers from this colorful papers and then we'll put on the pots. Okay, we'll put on the plants in the pot. Yes? Yes. Which paper is this? Which color is this?
Blue.
Blue? We'll make blue flowers?
Yes.
Yes, we'll make blue flowers.
Make flowers according to the colors in the pot and the number in the pot. Like orange color is pot number 2, so I'll make 2 orange flowers. And just like that, make all the flowers according to the colors and then cut it. And you can keep it in a small transparent pouch or a spare box that you have at home. And then you can take it out and play with it every time.
It's a purple flower? Yes, keep it here. Find the next purple flower. Yes, keep it here. Find the next one. Keep it here. Can you count how many are there?
3.
3 are there. 1, 2, 3. Now give me orange flowers. Keep it here. Next orange flower. How many are there?
2.
1 and 2. Now give me yellow flowers. Yes, keep it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now give me blue flowers. 1. Where is this one? 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there?
5.
And what is this color?
Red.
How many flowers are there?
1.
Only 1 red flower is there. Now these are the pots. Show me where is number 1. Where is number 1 on the pot? This one. So put your red flower over there. Correct. Where is number 3? Where is number 3? Show me on the pot first. Where is number 3 on the pot? Yes. And what color is it?
Violet.
Violet. So we'll put 3 violet flowers. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now show me where is number 2. Where is number 2? What color is that?
Orange.
Orange. We will put 2 orange flowers.
Yes.
Bring your orange flowers. 1, 2. Very good. Where's number 4? Where's number 4? 1 was here. Where's number 4? Pot. And what color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay. Take yellow color flowers. How many do we have?
5.
5 or 4?
4.
Please put on the number 4. Where is number 4? Yes. 1, 2, 3. This branch, this branch. I drew 4 branches for you. Yes, 3 and 4. Good job. Now number 5. Where's number 5? Show me number 5 pot. And what color is that?
Blue.
Now we'll put 5 blue flowers.
Yes.
This is first branch. 1, then 2, and here 3, and here 4, and here 5. Wow, we did that. You liked it?
Yes.
You liked it?
Yes.
Yes. We did numbers and colors and counting.
Yes.
Okay. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, you'll do it again.
Let's put number 1.
Okay, let's put number 1. Where's number 1? Good job.
Let's take number 2.
Number 2. Where's number 2? Wow.
Now let's take number 3.
Now let's take number 3. Where is 3? Yeah, this is wrong. Where is 3? Yes, you're right. That is wrong. Yes. You're doing masti? Where is 3? You're doing it on purpose? Where is 3? And that one. Good job. Putting it back. We'll play again tomorrow. Okay, you're so good. Banana?
I put banana here, and then strawberry, kiwi,
And?
watermelon,
And?
mango.
Good job.